In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable pickup in Appypie Marketplace. Offering a pickup option is a great way to give customers more flexibility, reduce shipping costs, and speed up order fulfillment. I'll walk you through the exact path in the builder so you can turn it on confidently and know where everything lives. Start by signing in to your Appypie account and opening the builder. From the main builder screen, make sure you're working on the correct project, especially if you manage more than one app. Taking a moment here avoids changing settings on the wrong store. Next, click Manage. This opens the management area for your selected app, where you'll see the tools you use to control features and settings. Now choose Store App to focus specifically on your store experience. When the store panel loads, select Manage App to open the full dashboard for that app. Inside the app dashboard, go to the Multi-Vendor Marketplace module. This is where marketplace-specific features are configured. If you don't immediately see it, give the page a moment to load or expand any collapsed sections in your module list. Look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation menu. From this left menu, click Settings. This will open a section with configuration options that affect how your marketplace behaves. Within Settings, select Store Settings. This is the central place for store-wide preferences like ordering, fulfillment, and other operational choices. Once you're in Store Settings, scroll down through the page. You're looking for the section labeled Delivery Type. It might sit below Other Fulfillment or Checkout Options, so keep scrolling until you see it. When you reach Delivery Type, locate the Pickup option and toggle it on. As soon as you switch this on, the change takes effect immediately. There's no need to hunt for a separate save button here. If you want to offer both delivery and pickup, simply leave your delivery option enabled alongside pickup so customers can choose what suits them at checkout. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the toggle appears disabled or you don't see the Marketplace module, make sure you have the correct permissions and that you're editing the Marketplace enabled app. After enabling pickup, it's a good idea to preview your app or run a quick test order to confirm the pickup option appears during checkout and that your pickup location details are accurate and visible to customers. And that's it. You've enabled pickup in your Appypie marketplace, giving your buyers a faster, more convenient way to get their orders.